Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another look with the BhCosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. I'm absolutely loving this palette and I never stop loving it. I love the color story. It's super cool toned. It's just a stunning palette and I do not care that it's 4 years old. I'm still going to use it and I wanted to start filming using the palette again. So here we are. Of course I'm using that BhCosmetics palette. And this is a dark, cloudy day, and I'm using my ring light to film with, so I hope the lighting is alright. Let me know in the comments below. Let's get started. I have a shadow shield under the eyes today, so I can catch all the fallout, and I'm using the AOA Studio Shadow Stay Eyeshadow Primer. Of course, the BhCosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette, and I am taking 350 Degrees is the title of that shade, and I was inspired by some YouTube tutorials that I watched on this color pairing here. So I love how this came out. I love how it looks, and I'm going to use that on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to apply that in the crease against the orbital bone, not taking it up much higher than the orbital bone, just slightly for blending purposes. I will go over this a few passes so that way I can build it up. These shades look like they're brown in the pan, but when you apply them to their eyes, they're pretty red. Like this one is definitely like a red shade applied to the eyes. And the next shade I'm taking is Fluffy. And I'm going to use this as a transition blending shade. It's a nice, it applies kind of peachy, but it's kind of a nude brown looking in the pan. I use very little of this to blend down the edges of the crease shade, and it works very nicely to blend that down. And once I have that, I'm going to go in with Dedicant, and it looks like a dark brown in the pan, but it's actually like a dark maroon plummy shade, and I think that this shadow is going to have to be used in a different look as well. Like, it is absolutely stunning. I'm using it on a blending brush, but it's kind of like a smudger brush as well. It's more dense and packed tighter, and I'm applying that in the outer corner, and look how stunning that outer corner color is. I'm obsessed. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm using this Loreal Lumi spray and a flat eyeshadow brush to pick up the shade Tempting. And it's a blue shimmery shade, and the camera does not do this shade justice. It's absolutely stunning, and I had to use this eyeshadow foiled. It is so beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful this shade is. So I do like a faux cut crease using this shade, and I just keep working with it, and there'll be a little bit of fallout. If you have this palette, you know there's fallout. I'm going to do a little bit of blending so it doesn't seem like the shimmery shades just placed there. They actually kind of blends in with the matte shades as well. Go over that and blend. And I am so pleased with this look. So this is from AOA Studio in the Southern Charm collection. And this is a trio. It's called Quaint, and I'm using this light pink eyeshadow. I'm removing the shadow shield. I use that as the highlighter, by the way, and to blend down edges. And the shadow shield, I was showing that it did pick up some of my under eye makeup, and it caught a lot of fallout. On the lower lash line, I'm using the dark maroon, like plummy shade, and then I'll use the red brownish shade, and I'm leaving the most inner corner part blank. LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black, and the LaColors Neon Gel Eyeliner, and this one's a blue. Absolutely beautiful eyeliner, and this little eyeliner is actually from Shein, and it's a silver with blue silver glitter in it as well. Or it's a silver and blue glitter. You mostly see the silver. I'm applying this in the inner corner, but it's actually got blue flecks in it too, and it is absolutely stunning. I thought it would be perfect for the inner corner. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and these Shein Fluffy Cat Eyelashes. And I'm going to apply those real quickly. I love these lashes. You've seen them in many, many, many videos. Absolutely stunning. The Sephora LashCraft Mascara to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. The eyes are done. So for lips, this is an LaColors lip gloss. Name, all that stuff is worn off of it. So I just decided for a gloss today. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial today, found it helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos using BhCosmetics Blueberry Muffin Palette. And don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links as well as a product list.